Okay, selamat petang semua. Very good evening, everyone. Okay, so I'm so welcome everyone to join today class, which we will learn maths. Okay, kita akan belajar matematik tambahan untuk tingkatan 5 bingit. Okay, so sebelum ni cikgu buat sikit pengenalan. Cikgu adalah Miss Joina. Okay, you can call me Miss Joina or Teacher Joina also can. So let's go to the topic for today first. Today class I will upload in our YouTube channel lah. Okay, later I will upload in YouTube channel SPM Malaysia. So siapa mungkin kamu nak tengok balik lepas kelas ini, kamu boleh juga pergi cikgu punya YouTube channel tengok balik. Okay, you can rewatch again and do some revision lah. Kan? Because today we will learn something that quite complicated. Okay? Hari ini kena belajar yang susah sikit punya. Part 2. Siapa yang tak pernah tengok part 1 punya, hari tu cikgu sudah buat part 1 kan? I already teach you the part 1 of differentiation. If you haven't watched, you also can go to our YouTube channel to find the part 1. Siapa belum tengok part 1, boleh tengok dekat YouTube kita. Okay, then untuk pembezaan, saya bagi sikit ulang kaji dulu bahagian part 1, lepas tu baru saya adjust part 2. A little bit of revision first. Okay, by the way, teacher want to ask, how many of you already learn chapter 2 in school? Berapa daripada kamu sudah belajar pembezaan dalam sekolah? Me. Okay, ada tak yang belum belajar? Kalau belum belajar, kamu tulis no. Siapa yang belum belajar, tulis no. Siapa yang sudah belajar, tulis yes. Senang sikit saya tengok. For those who already learned chapter 2, you write yes. For those who haven't learned chapter 2, you say no. Okay, 1, no. Mostly is yes. 2, 3, 4. Okay. So for those who haven't learned chapter 2, you must focus on the basic thing first. Now I teach you about differentiation again. Okay, differentiation, last time I told you already, differentiation is to find what? Kenapa nak cari dy dx? Untuk cari apa? Siapa ingat? Gradient, correct. Untuk cari kecerunan. Okay, then pasal dy dx nak cari kecerunan, kita punya cara, ada slogan tak? Ada. Okay, what is the slogan? Number times power and then power minus 1. Okay, nombor darab kuasa, kuasa tolak 1. Okay, contoh example here. Y equals to 5x squared. So dy dx is what? Okay, number times power is what? Nombor darab kuasa. 5 times 2, 10. And then kuasa tolak 1, power minus 1. So 2 minus 1, 1. So it's x1. Okay, 5x squared is 10x1. x1 tak payah tulis itu 1 lah. 1 no need. Okay, another example y equals to negative 3x4. So dy dx number times power. So it's what? Nombor darab kuasa. Negatif 3 darab 4, negatif 12. Then kuasa tolak 1. 4 minus 1, 3. Okay, do you clear with this one? Number times power, power minus 1. Clear? Then how about I give you y equals to 4. The other x punya. No x, what happened? The other x tadi, 0. No x is 0. Actually, you notice is downgrade. Macam dia downgrade kan? X kuasa 2 jadi x. X kuasa 4 jadi x kuasa 3. Tiada x jadi sifar. It's downgrading. Then, I teach you another one because dy dx got so many types. Second method, second things is, if let's say I give you with bracket. Macam ni punya. Macam ni, apa kita kena buat? What should we do? So the first part is same. Bahagian sama, depan sama. I will hide this one first. Saya tutup ni. So nombor darab kuasa. Number times power. This is 1 actually, right? 1. 1 times 4 is what? Nombor darab kuasa. 1 darab 4, 4 lah. And then kuasa tolak 1, 4 minus 1, 3. 3. And then kita sambung ini. Copy balik. Copy the bracket inside the bracket. Is it done? No, not done. Then, apa yang tak siap ni? Untuk ini, kamu kena sambung lagi. You need to continue one more thing is, you need to times with what? Dy dx inside the bracket. Kamu kena buat pembezaan dalam kurungan. So, cikgu tengok kurungan ada apa? Kurungan 2x tambah 1. So, kamu fikir, y adalah 2x tambah 1 kan? So, dy dx dapat apa? 2x become what? Downgrade 2x jadi 2. 1 1 tiada x No x become 0. So, just only 2 lah. So, 2 saja sini. 2. I differentiate inside the bracket. So answer dy dx here become what? 4 times 2, 8. Okay. This is for bracket. One more time. Saya bagi ulang kaji dulu sebelum saya ajar bahagian 2. Ini bukan lagi bahagian 2. Ini ulang kaji bahagian 1 part 1. So example I do like this. 3x square minus 4 and then power 2, 3. So I want to differentiate it. First thing, ini jangan tengok. Dalam bracket jangan tengok. So nombor darab kuasa. Number times power is what? 4 times 3, 12. 12. Then kuasa tolak 1. 3 minus 1, 2. Okay, then dalam sini saya copy kan? I copy again. Is it done? No, not yet. You need to differentiate inside the bracket. Okay, kita bezakan dulu. Ini nombor darab kuasa. 3 times 2, 6. Then kuasa tolak 1, x square minus 1, so is x1. Okay, then ini 4 tak ada lah. So, no more. 12 times 6 is what? 12 darab 6x. 12 times 6. 78 meh? 72. 72. You typo already Then siap. Okay, ini untuk kalau yang simple punya. This one is still simple. Now I talk about difficult part, which is part 2. So far for part 1, okay or not? Bahagian 1, okay tak? Kalau tak okay, mungkin susah sikit kamu nak sambung. Tapi kamu boleh tengok. You can try. So today I'm going to teach you about product rules. Petua hasil darab. Sebab kamu tengok ini soalan. Soalan ini, dia ada 2 kurungan. Got 2 bracket, correct? So if got 2 bracket, what should you do? You follow teacher working. Siapa ada ambil kertas, sedia kertas, sila kamu salin dulu. You copy the question first. Salin ini. Y sama dengan X tambah 1, 2X tambah 1, kuasa 5. Copy down. I'm going to do product rules. Hasil darab. Ini adalah U, ini adalah V. UV. No, we don't do factorization. We do UV. It's still dy dx. Kita masih buat dy dx. So, first thing, U put here, V put here. Yeah, correct. Okay, kamu asingkan dulu. U and V. Nanti kalau ada masa saya ajar kamu bahagi. If still got time, I will teach you if divide. This is multiply. Okay, we got U, we got V split already. We do du dx. Okay, bezakan ini X jadi apa? You differentiate x become what? 1, correct. Then if you differentiate 1, beza 1 dapat apa? Sifar, normal no x is 0 Okay, then ini pula, ini kurungan kan? Kurungan. So number times power 1 plus 5, 5. Then power minus 1. 5 tolak 1, 4. Belum siap lagi, kita kena kembang lagi dalam kurungan ini. So differentiate 2x become what? 2, correct. 2x jadi 2. Belum siap, kita darab dulu. 5 darab 2, 5 times 2, 10. Okay? So kita bezakan U, bezakan V Differentiate U, differentiate V. And then I want to teach you draw an arrow from V to du dx. Must start from V You don't draw for U. This is my method because it's easy for you to do for quotient rules also. Kamu lukis macam ni lebih senang untuk kamu buat bahagi punya. Ini walaupun ini darab lah. Tapi bahagi punya ada formula yang kedua. Tapi kalau kamu ikut cikgu macam ni, formula tu pun senang nak hafal punya. You just draw arrow from V Jangan kamu tulis macam ni You don't do like this. If you do like this then you don't understand what I'm doing already. Kamu ikut U, V, du, dx, dv, dx. Okay? Okay, so sekarang kita buat dy, dx. So dy, dx is what? Is V times du dx. Okay, V times du dx plus, sebab darab so kita tambah, multiply so we plus. Plus what? Plus u times dv dx. So ini 10, 2x tambah 1 kuasa 4, x tambah 1. Understand? Okay. But is it done? Looks done, but not. Belum lagi. Kenapa belum siap? Kamu tengok bahagian sini dengan bahagian sini. Ada tak benda yang sama? Is there anything is similar here? Common things here? Anything is similar? Yes, what is that similar? Apa yang sama? 2x tambah 1, 2x tambah 1. Okay, 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1. But 1 is power to 5, 1 is power to 4. Please take note here. Always choose the what? Always factorize the smallest power. Kamu kena faktorkan kuasa yang kecil. So, 4 dengan 5 kita pilih 4. Okay, we factorize out the 4, not the 5. Kan? Okay, so sekarang saya faktorkan. Saya keluarkan 2x tambah 1, saya keluarkan 4. Both, I take out 4. So, you think nak? You think here. From this one, think like this. This one, here got 5. I take out 4. How many I left? 5, saya keluarkan 4. Tinggal berapa? 5 keluarkan 4. Tinggal 1. So, I left 1 only. So, I put 1 here. Okay? Okay, ini untuk yang pertama punya. This part. Sudah saya keluar. 5 keluar 4, tinggal 1. Okay, then, how about the right hand side? Ini. So, saya sudah keluar 4. 4, I take out 4. Do I still have? 4 sudah keluar 4. Masih ada tak? Tak ada sudah kan? No more already. So, saya tulis 10. X tambah 1. Faham tak sini? For those who don't understand, you can... it's actually something like x power to 4 plus 3x cube like this. I take out the x cube. So ini tinggal x, ini tinggal 3. Macam ni lah. Like I'm factorizing out but I didn't delete. Saya faktor tapi saya tak delete dah. Jangan cakap, oh saya boleh potong ni. Tak boleh. So this one I just put aside. Ini masih letak luar. Dan sekarang kita selesaikan yang dalam bracket ni. Ini ya. So 2x tambah 1, 2x plus 1. This one you can expand inside, right? So 10 darab x dapat apa? 10 times x is 10x. 10x. 10 times 1, 10. Okay, then now we see this one. Okay, 2x plus 10x is what? 2x tambah 10x, 12x, 12x. 1 plus 10, 1 tambah 10, 11. Siap. Ini baru cantik sikit. You don't understand start from here, is it? Sini tak faham ke? Okay, this part actually I'm not doing dy dx. Mana kamu tahu tak bahagian 1 dengan bahagian 2, 3, 4 ini baru saya buat dy dx. Then apa yang saya buat dekat sini? Why I'm doing this 2, 3, 4? 2, 3, 4 I'm doing what? I'm doing simplification. Or I call it factorization. Saya buat pemfaktoran ataupun kita kasih permudahkan dia. Kenapa nak permudahkan? Why we need to do simplification? Because you see this answer. Is it beautiful? Adakah cantik ataupun senang untuk faham tak? Is it easy to read? No, right? Not easy because here got one section, here got two section. Ada 2 bahagian. So dia tak cantik. Jadi kita kena faktorkan apa yang sama. I need to factorize out what is same here. So this is same here. 5, but 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1, but this is 5, this is 4. So I need to take out 4. Keluarkan 4. So ini tinggal berapa? 5 keluarkan 4 tinggal 1. Nampak tak? 5 take out 4, I left 1. And then 4 take out 4, I left no more. So ini tinggal tak ada benda sudah. Nothing. Understand or not this part? Okay. Understand Okay. Okay, so sekarang kita cuba soalan kedua, boleh tak? Do you want to try next question? Question 2. Okay, tengok soalan 2. Soalan 2 sini kita ada 2 bahagian juga. We got 2 section. So yang biru tu saya tulis U, yang merah yang hijau tu saya tulis V ya. Okay, I write like U is 4x square and then V is x minus 5 square. Okay, so U is changed to du dx. Du dx is what? 4x kuasa 2. So nombor darab kuasa, kuasa tolak 1. Number times power is 8. X square become x. Okay, then dv dx pula. dv dx. Number times power. 1 darab 2. 2. Then 2 tolak 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, so we leave it. And then bezakan dalam bracket apa? Differentiate x is what? 1 is still 1, right? X tu masih 1. So tak payah tulis 1. No need. Do you remember teacher said draw the arrow from where? Lukis anak panah dari V. Draw from V here. Always draw from V ya. So kita buat dy dx. So dy dx is V times du dx So, ini 8X darab X tolak 5 kuasa 2. And then tambah U darab ini. Plus 4X square. Or maybe I write the second one first. Saya tulis yang kedua dulu. 2X tolak 5 darab 4X kuasa 2. Okay, ini saya kembang dulu. I expand the 4X square and the 2 first. Okay, so sini 2 darab 4X kuasa 2. 2 times 4X square, 8X square. Okay, so sekarang kamu tengok sini bahagian 1 dan bahagian 2. First part and the second part. Anything is similar? Ada apa yang sama tak? Anything is similar here? No, man, God lah. X minus 5, okay. Apa lagi? Ada lagi. 8. Okay, 8. And then X. Okay, ada X juga sini. X. Okay, so kita tengok. 2 ada 8 makan. So 2 kita keluarkan 8. Both got 8, I take out 8 first. And then X dengan X kuasa 2. Nak keluar X ke nak keluar X kuasa 2? Remember just now I said take out the smallest one. Keluarkan yang paling kecil. X, betul. Bukan X kuasa 2. Keluarkan yang kecil, X. And then X minus 5 square and 1. So I choose which one? Keluar 1 ke keluar 2? Keluar 1. So I take out X minus 5 power to 1. Okay? I take out 1. So now, we see one by one first. Kita tengok kurungan ini dulu. This bracket. Okay, 8X saya sudah keluar 8X kan. First bracket, 8X I take out 8X, so no more already. Ini hilang. And then kuasa 2 saya keluar kuasa 1, tinggal berapa? 2, I take out 1 already. So I still got 1. X minus 5. Tinggal 1 saja. Okay. Sekarang kita tengok bracket kedua. We see the second bracket. Okay, bracket kedua. 8 sudah keluar 8. No more. 8, take out 8. No more already. X kuasa 2 sudah keluar X. Tinggal berapa? X square, I take out 1X. So I left 1X. Tinggal 1X. Then X minus 5 power to 1, I already take out X minus 5 power to 1. So no more also, right? Sudah keluar, tak ada sudah. Inilah jawapan dia. So ini kita kembangkan. X minus 5 plus X is what? X tolak 5 tambah X. X tambah X. 2X. Tolak 5. Siap. Inilah jawapan akhir dia. Okey tak? Siapa sini tak okey punya? Bagi tahu cikgu. This topic is quite difficult lah. Especially not difficult at dy dx. Dy dx langsung tak susah pun kan? Cuma ini darab ini darab ini saja mah. Kan? Yang susah adalah bahagian sini faktor permudakan. The difficult part is the factorization. Okay, can we try question 3? Yeah, after expand is difficult already. After factorize, I mean like factorization is a little bit difficult. Okay, we do next question. Question 3, soalan 3. Okay, soalan 3 hampir sama. Kamu salin soalan dulu. Copy down. Y equals to 3x cubed. Bracket x minus 1 square. Okay, so here this is U. Ini U, and then this is V. Okay, so I put like U 3x cubed V x minus 1 squared. Okay, so du dx dapat apa? Du dx is what? Number times power, power minus 1. Nombor darab kuasa. So 27. No. 3, not 3 cube. 3, 9, 9. Then x cube. 3 tolak 1. 3 minus 1, 2. Okay, then for dv dx. dv dx pula. Nombor 1 darab kuasa 2. Number 1 times power 2. 2. And then power minus 1. 2 tolak 1. 1. Then dalam sini kita buat beza dapat apa? Differentiate x is what? You differentiate the x, you get 1. Correct? Beza x adalah 1 lah. So, siap sudah. Then lukis anak panah. Jangan lupa lukis anak panah sini. Okay, kita buat dy dx. So, dy dx is equals to v times du dx. Okay, so du dx 9x kuasa 2 darab x tolak 1 kuasa 2. Lepas tu, dv dx darab u. Ini darab ini. So, tambah 2x minus 1 and then 3x cube. Okay, sini saya kembang dulu. I expand these two first. Kembang ini dengan ini dulu. 9x squared, x minus 1 square, 2, 3, 6, x cube, x minus 1. Okay, kamu tengok dalam dua bracket ni. Apa yang sama? What is same here? X minus 1, correct? Apa lagi sama? What else is same? Like, I mean like same means can I divide something like 3x, 3x. Okay, x is same. And then 6 and 9 also like common, right? 9 dengan 6. Okay, so cikgu tanya. 9 dengan 6 dua-dua boleh bahagi nombor apa? 9 and 6 both can divided by 3. Right. Then, x kuasa 2 dengan x kuasa 3. Kita nak keluarkan berapa? Take out x square or take out x cube? X square. Because choose the small one, right? Pilih yang kecil ya, bukan pilih yang besar. Then yang merah punya. X tolak 1 kuasa 2. X tolak 1 kuasa 1. Mana satu kita keluarkan? We take out the square one or we take out the power one? Power one only, right? Okay, kita keluarkan yang kecil, yang satu saja. Okay, so now we see this one. See this one. 9, I take out 3. So what I left? 9 saya faktorkan 3. So tinggal 3. Kenapa? Bahagi ya. Faktor maksudnya bahagi. 9 divide 3 is 3. Okay, then next one. Okay, x square and x square. X square, I take out x square. Do I still have? Masih ada x kuasa 2 tak? Sudah keluarkan? Tiada. No more. Then ini pula. X minus 1 square, I take out x minus 1 power to 1. Kuasa 2 saya keluarkan kuasa 1. Tinggal kuasa 1. Betul. 2 keluar 1. Masih ada 1. Okay, so this one we done already. First bracket we done. Now we see the second bracket. Bracket kedua ini. So, 6 saya sudah keluar 3. Jadi berapa? 6, I factorize 3, I left 2. Correct. 2. Then, x kuasa 3, saya keluar x kuasa 2. Saya tinggal berapa? X3 divide x square. X, correct. Then lastly this one. X minus 1, I already take out X minus 1. Do I still have X minus 1? Ada lagi ke? Tak ada sudah kan? X minus 1 divide X minus 1 is 1. No more already. Tinggal 1 saja. Okay, so tutup. So sekarang kita kembangkan. We expand it lah. Not expand lah, simplify lah. So kembang dulu sini. 3 darab X, 3 darab negatif 1. 3 times X, 3X. Negative 3 plus 2X. So ini jadi apa? 3X plus 2X. 3X tambah 2X. 5X tolak 3. So ingat dia punya hints. Sentiasa faktorkan kuasa yang kecil. Okay, factorize the small one, not the big one. Okay, saya harap kamu ada improve. Hope you got improve a little bit. Next one, let's try. Kali ini susah sikit. Ada punca kuasa. Got square root. What should I do? Okay, this one and this one. 2 part. Sebelum kamu buat ni, kita tukar dulu boleh tak? Do you remember square root is actually is what? Punca kuasa apa? Half, correct. 1/2. Kuasa 1/2. So, ini U, ini V. Okay, must change to index. Mesti tukar index baru senang kamu buat lah. So, U 4x square, V x plus 1, 1/2. I can say this is the hardest one lah, for 1/2. 1/2 selalu student akan blur punya. Tapi nanti cikgu ajar sikit lah. And du dx is what? Number times power, power minus 1. 8x, correct. 4 darab 2, 8. X kuasa 2 tolak 1, 1 lah. Okay, 4 times 2, 8. 2 minus 1, 1. Then dv dx. Number times power is what? Nombor 1 darab 1/2. 1/2. And then kuasa tolak 1 dapat apa pula? Power minus 1. Negative 1/2. Correct. Beza dalam bracket apa? You differentiate inside the bracket. 1 only, right? Beza x tu 1 saja. So tak payahlah. Sampai sini. Nampak negatif 1/2. Confused a little bit, right? Never mind. We see first. Draw arrow first. Lukis anak panah. So kita buat dy dx dulu. dy dx is what? Du dx darab v ya. Ini darab ni. Cross. So 8x darab x tambah 1, 1/2. And then because it's times, right? Ini darab, so kita tambah. U darab dv dx. So 1/2 x plus 1 negative 1/2 4x square. Okay, sebelum kita buat, kita kembang dulu itu nombor. We expand first. This one can times with this one, right? 1/2 darab 4 dapat 1/2 times 4 is 2. 2x square, x plus 1, negative 1/2. Okay, sampai sini selalu student pelajar akan confused. Ayo, 1/2 macam mana faktor kan? Okay, sebelum itu cikgu tanya dulu. Apa yang sama antara ini dua bracket? What is same between these two bracket? X plus 1. What else? X, okay. X square and then X. And then, yang boleh bahagi ingat, 8 dengan 2, 8 and 2, right? Okay, we talk one by one first. Remember, choose the smallest one. Sentiasa faktorkan yang kecil ingat. So, 8 dengan 2, kita faktorkan apa? 8 and 2. We factorize 2. Then, X dengan X kuasa 2, faktorkan apa? X and X square, we factorize X, correct? Now, the problem is the 1/2 lah. 1/2 dengan negatif 1/2. Siapa kecil lah? Which one is more? This is more. Cikgu cakap keluarkan yang kecil kan? So we take out X plus 1 negative 1/2. Always factorize the small one. Keluarkan, faktorkan yang kecil, bukan yang besar. Okay, then sekarang kita boleh buat sudah. Kita cuba ni ya. Tapi ada susah sikit, kamu boleh fikir. Okay, first one 8. So 8 sudah keluarkan 2 kan? 8 take out 2, what you left? 4, correct. 4 lah. 4. Then X keluarkan X. So X divide X 1, no? 1 kan? 1 saja. Then ini pula. Ini macam mana? X plus 1, 1/2. I take out X plus 1, negative 1/2. How? Kalau benda yang sama, tapi bahagi, kuasa kena buat apa? X plus 1, X plus 1. If I divide the power ni to minus. So 1/2 minus negative 1/2. What did you get? Cuba kamu kira. 1/2 tolak negatif 1/2 dapat apa? Dapat 1. Betul. You left 1, right? So here I put X plus 1, 1. Understand or not? Factorize means divide. Kita buat pemfaktoran maksudnya kita bahagi. Keluarkan maksudnya bahagi. You can copy down this one. Kamu boleh salin ini. Supaya next time kamu tengok, kamu faham lah. Okay, seterusnya kita tengok bracket kedua. See the second bracket. So, 2 saya sudah keluar 2. 2/2 is 1, right? Nothing lah. Tiada benda sudah hilang. Then, X square divide X is what? X kuasa 2 bahagi 1X masih lagi ada 1X. I still got 1X. And then how about last one? Ini negatif 1/2 sudah keluar negatif 1/2. Apa saya tinggal? Negative half, negative half. Same thing, right? Same thing, so you can cut 1. Tak ada benda, so tutup. Tinggal X saja sebelah bracket kanan. Okay, so this one. Expand, kembang dulu. 4 times X, 4X. 4 times 1, 4 plus X. So final answer. Sini 4X tambah X, 5X tambah 4. Do you think it's beautiful? Kamu rasa cantik tak? Why no? Because the power is negative, correct? Sebab ini negative. So negative, what should I do? Negative, I should bring it down. Pindah ke bawah. So X plus 1, 1/2. But do you think it's beautiful? Okay lah. Tapi kalau boleh, saya tukar lagi. I change it. 1/2 means what? 1/2 maksudnya punca kuasa. So I change it like this. Like this is beautiful already. Okay, got student ask, can I insert the 4x squared at the beginning into the square root and differentiate? What do you mean? You insert this one into the square root and differentiate. I see the question first. Oh, cannot. If you insert inside, later it will be like so complicated. Lagi complicated. You want to do can, but it's very complicated. Yeah, I understand. Your meaning is, can I do like square root and then 16x4 and then x plus 1, correct? Then it will become like square root 16x4. Oh, you want to expand inside, is it? Nak kembang masuk ah? Oh, can also. You want to expand inside like 16x5 plus 16x4 like this. And then differentiate like normal lah. Can also. Can also. So for the final answer, can I open up the bracket? Better is your answer. Make it simple. Means that, okay, teacher ask you, this is simple or this is simple? Mana satu yang sudah difaktor sepenuhnya? Of course is left hand side, correct? So jawapan untuk UV for like UV ke ataupun U bahagi V yang bahagi punya kan. Kamu kena buat kamu punya jawapan sudah habis difaktorkan. Completely factorized. Understand? So like this is completely factorized. So that's why you see a lot of bracket lah. Okay, if let's say you expand like just now, your answer may be a little bit different from this answer. Kalau kamu guna cara lain, jawapan mungkin ada sedikit beza. But it's still acceptable lah. It's still acceptable, but you still need to do factorization. Kena buat pemfaktoran juga. Can I expand the 2x times? No, don't expand it. Like I said just now, make your answer like stay as completely factorization. Jawapan kamu mesti sudah habis difaktorkan. Okay? Okay, so now teacher give you a question here. You can try at home. Kamu boleh cuba ini soalan. And then maybe if you got answer right, you can comment in my YouTube video later. Siapa ada jawapan, kamu boleh komen dekat kita punya cikgu punya YouTube video, di bawah itu komen. Then teacher can know that you understand or not. This one is same as just now. Soalan 5 hampir sama dengan soalan 4 punya. Okay, you try this one. So our class end here already. So before that, teacher want to ask, do you think today class help you or not? Kamu rasa kelas hari ini ada bantu kamu tak? Especially the topic chapter 2 product rules. Yes. Okay, good. Very helpful. Thank you. You take a yes. Okay, so then do you want to know how to get A in Maths? Siapa nak dapat teknik untuk dapat A dalam matematik tambahan? Saya, okay. Saya nak. Then, siapa nak dapat personal Q&A dengan cikgu? Maksudnya, kalau kamu ada soalan, ada masalah, kamu nak tanya cikgu. You want to ask teacher question. I don't know how to do this. And then mungkin homework, schoolwork, or maybe your own reference book, buku latihan, buku rujukan. Me. Okay. So actually, today is a trial class. Trial class for what? For our monthly online tuition. Kita punya tuition setiap bulan punya. Okay, kita ada 3 subjek Prinsip account and maths and mathematic. Matematik lah. So matematik dengan matematik tambahan ini dua adalah dalam dwi bahasa. Okay, and maths and mathematics in dwi bahasa means in BM, BI. account is in Malay only ya, dalam Melayu sahaja. Then mungkin Form 5 student nak join Form 4 class boleh tak? Boleh juga. Okay, kalau kamu ada masalah dekat Form 4, kamu tak mahir, kamu nak kasih baguskan Form 4 punya asas, boleh juga. You can join Form 4 and Form 5. So let's see what you will get in our class first. First, you will get live class every week. Setiap minggu kita ada kelas 1 jam 30 minit. Okay, live like using Zoom like today. Then mungkin kamu cakap, cikgu saya tak boleh join untuk kelas hari itu. Macam mana? Ataupun saya memang ada kelas lain sudah pada hari Sabtu. Macam mana? Okay, jangan takut. Kita ada video. Semua pelajar yang join kelas tuition ada video. Kamu boleh tengok video itu and it's unlimited replay ya. Kamu boleh tengok bila-bila dan berapa kali kamu nak tengok pun boleh. So it's good thing for those who want to revise also can. For example, you are Form 4 student. Then next year Form 5, can I watch back the Form 4 video? Can also. Okay, kamu boleh tengok balik juga. And then worksheet and notes is provided in soft copy. You can print it out, do together with teacher. And then kita ada personal Q&A, maksudnya kamu boleh tanya cikgu kalau ada masalah. You can practice on hot question and also you can get the technique to score A+. How to do kebat question, how to do this kind of question, apa dia langkah, semua cikgu akan bagi tahu juga. Okay, then this is our good review from ex-student. They joined 2020 lah. So sebenarnya cikgu punya kelas sudah 3 tahun lah. Okay, masuk 3 tahun sudah. Okay, this is one of the testimony from a student from Sabah. Okay, our class is fully online 100% online. So pelajar ada yang dari Sabah, Sarawak, KL, Terengganu, Perlis, mana-mana pun ada, Johor, Melaka pun ada. So she's come from Sabah and she joined my class since Form 4. Okay, dia sudah graduate lah actually. Tapi dia join masa dia Form 4. So dia punya account, dia join Matematik Tambahan. Dia punya account sangat-sangat bagus. 98 marks in his exam. Very high, right? Siapa nak join macam dia, boleh juga join cikgu. Siapa nak jadi macam dia. Okay, then kalau saya tengok video saja boleh tak? Boleh. Okay, this student never join my live class. She just watch the video. Okay, dia tengok semua saya punya video dan dia pergi test. Oh, dia dapat 97. From 69 become 97. Very good, right? Okay, asrama student also can join because you can watch the video anytime you want. Okay, then of course we also have a highest batch in the school. Okay, dia dapat markah tertinggi untuk account and maths and mathematics dalam sekolah dia. So if you want to become like them, you can ask for teacher how to join the class. Okay, you can maybe discuss with your parents also can. Okay, so siapa nak tahu harga dia? Do you want to know the price for the monthly online tuition? Is it? Oh, yes, right. Okay, is it expensive or not? Actually, it's no. Okay, how is it? If you ever join live, did you ever join tuition at any place? Pernah tak kamu join tuition dekat tempat lain? Yes. So how much is one subject? Satu subjek berapa ringgit? Agak-agak. In tuition, your own tuition kamu punya pusat tuition. Oh, 100 so high. 60, okay. 70 for one subject, is it? 1 month, one subject, 70. 90. Okay. So for normal is 60 to 90 lah. But 100 lebih 100 lebih. So itu 100 lebih untuk satu subjek tu mungkin dia dekat bandar ataupun mungkin dia memang sudah mungkin itu 1-to-1 right? Maybe 1-to-1. Then how about our price? Is it 90? Oh no. Is it 60? No. 40? No. It's only 35 ringgit for one subject. Okay, satu subjek 35 ringgit saja. So siapa nak, kamu boleh screenshot dulu. Okay, if you are interested, please screenshot this page first. Kamu screenshot dulu. And then kamu boleh tanya kamu punya ibu bapa. You can ask your parents if you are interested. Okay, then how to register? You need to send the poster to me. Kamu sudah screenshot tadi kan? Kamu kena hantar itu poster tadi bagi cikgu melalui Telegram ataupun WhatsApp. Yeah, RM35 only. Because teacher want to do like win-win situation. So like teacher have a little bit of money, you also you can also enjoy the class with a cheap price. It's very, very cheap lah. So, and some more is you can ask teacher question. Selalu kalau kamu dekat pusat tuition kan, itu cikgu jarang akan jawab kecuali kamu tanya masa kelas. Kalau masa lepas kelas, mereka mungkin tidak akan tengok handphone sudah. So, tapi sini kamu masih boleh tanya cikgu melalui handphone juga. You still can ask teacher through WhatsApp, Telegram, you can take picture for your question. Okay, siapa Form 5 student, if you, let's say you want to buy video for Form 4, can or not? Can. Okay, cikgu ada sudah full set punya video dari bab 1 hingga bab terakhir untuk account matematik dan matematik tambahan. For Form 4, Form 5 lah. So you want to buy video, you can ask teacher also. Because maybe you think that, oh teacher, I don't want to follow Form 4 tuition. I just want to follow Form 5 tuition. But Form 4, I still very weak. I want to buy video. Then you can ask teacher. How? You just WhatsApp and Telegram teacher. You say, teacher, I want to buy video. Then we will discuss and then I will suggest you what kind of video you can buy, what chapter you should buy, and how much is it. Okay? Okay, so nak tengok jadual balik. Okay, show you the table again. You can screenshot the table also. Okay, Okay, so kalau ada apa-apa masalah, sila tanya cikgu melalui WhatsApp pun boleh. Okay, so hope to see you in the monthly online class. See you next time. Bye-bye. Good night. Okay, good night, everyone.